What's up guys, welcome back to
What's up guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks. You already know what we are making today, so let's get started. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Mix in the baking powder and the salt with the flour, whisk everything to remove all lumps and set it aside. To make this delicious batter, we'll start by creaming the butter and the sugar together. When you begin creaming the butter and the sugar, initially it will feel like it's coming together, but if it's still crumbly, you need to keep going. It might take about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets nice and creamy. Next, we will add in 2 eggs, one at a time, whisking in between to combine the whites completely. After incorporating the eggs, add in the vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of the milk, and half of your flour. Mix everything and repeat. And when you have a very smooth batter, it's time to fold in the blueberries. Whoops, that's the wrong direction. There we go. Gently fold in the blueberries. It will begin to look like ice cream, but wait, don't eat it yet. Cook it first. Butter your pan. We'll bake this at 375 Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. I can't wait to dig in. Let's plate this right away. If you enjoyed this video, you will also enjoy our banana bread recipe. I will link it in the description box below as well as on the top right corner of your screen right now. Make sure you check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to Honest Cooks and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. What would you like to see next? Thank you so much for watching guys. As always, have a lovely day.